Ever AI Technologies is building the first no-code AI platform where everyone can build their own AI without writing a single line of code. We have achieved more than 40,000 US dollars in revenue. Our goal is to turn every company into an AI company.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to the soft launch Ever AI web apps. Thank you for joining us tonight. My name is Shafia and I am the Business Development Executive at Ever AI Technologies. Ladies and gentlemen, Ever AI Technologies is a software provider company, particularly in artificial intelligence, and we are super excited to have you here. You want to transform your business into a data-driven organization by utilizing artificial intelligence and machine learning. You can make decisions by extracting insights from many data sources and apply it to achieve the result that you want. Join in this event with us and stay tuned for exciting things that we will go through in this event. Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, tonight we are live on 3 platforms, which are LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. Before we go to the most important part of this event, I'll share what we are going to do tonight. So, we will launch the event with a speech from our CEO, Dr. Sai Chongye, and we will proceed with the introduction to artificial intelligence and AI platform by our machine learning engineer, Shamsuri Azmi. Then here comes the exciting part. While Shamsuri presenting, he will provide quizzes for local and global audience to participate and win our prizes, which are Ever AI Technologies notebooks and a free 1-month trial of Ever AI Basic Plan that is worth RM 899 ringgit. Please message us your contact details and we will process your prize delivery. And then a Q&A session about our platform will then begin. Just a little housekeeping before we get started. Today's live is being recorded to be available for viewing post-conference. If you have any questions during the presentation, please type them into the chat space and we shall discuss them at the end of this event. Ladies and gentlemen, now without further ado, let's have our CEO, Dr. Sai Chongye, to introduce Ever AI Technologies and launch our ready-to-use AI platform, Ever AI Web Apps.
Hi, thank you, Shafia. We are live here on Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn today. Thank you everyone for joining and good evening everyone. This is Dr. Sai here from Ever AI Technologies, and today I'm super excited to share with you and launch the product that we have been building for the last 2 years. Let me start by bringing out some background stories. Well, 2 years ago, we started Ever AI Technologies along with my co-founders with a mission to make AI more accessible than ever before. The idea is to create an AI company that is committed to build AI that is inclusive for everyone so that we can all benefit from the power of AI technologies and no one is left behind. Our goal is to turn everyone into a data scientist and every company into an AI company. Well, the journey has not been easy. With the economy slowed down and everyone is now looking out for the next opportunity, we keep asking, where is the next opportunity? I believe that the answer lies in data. We often hear that data is the new gold, and I believe that too. In the future, data is going to power up every business, regardless of which industry that you are in, whether you are a bank, insurance, retail, e-commerce, education institution, or even a government organization. And to fully utilize the potential of data, we will need to use AI. What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence, machine that can learn from data and think like a human being. Data scientists typically use AI and machine learning algorithms to process this data to generate insights that can help increase their company revenue. Well, let me share with you some of the success stories of the companies that have used AI in their business. Amazon have used AI to build their recommendation engine, and this recommendation engine has helped them generate an increase of 35% of the entire company revenue, close to 400 billion per year. Even the retail companies like Starbucks, they can also use AI to know their customer better. Investing in AI has helped them increase their sales revenue and also ticket prices per customer significantly. Well, I believe all of you here have heard of Netflix. Netflix, when they began, they are famous for their personalized recommendation system using AI. And the recommendation system built by Netflix has helped them save $1 billion a year in potential lost revenue. Even the traditional businesses like banks and insurance companies can also use AI to increase their sales and customer retention rate. But what about the small local companies like us in Malaysia? Is AI something that is only reserved for the big companies like Apple, Google, Amazon, and Facebook? Well, investing in AI has always been a very painful process. I myself have been building AI application for at least the last 5 years. To build an AI application, you need to have extensive knowledge in programming and engineering to deploy the AI application in actual production environment. It requires a lot of experience and technical know-how to build AI application, and we see this as a barrier that has stopped a lot of creativity flowing, especially to people who have an idea of what AI they would like to build but have no access to it because of the lack of technical know-how. Let's say if a company they want to invest in AI today and establish their own data science department, it typically takes at least 500,000 to 1 million ringgit with a time to market of 3 to 6 months to build their first AI project and with no guarantee of success. What if there is a tool that can help you? What if you can significantly reduce the cost of building and deploying an AI application? What if you can shorten the time to market from 3 to 6 months to just 3 to 6 hours? Well, today I'm excited to share with you and launch our Ever AI platform. Ever AI is a no-code AI platform, the first in Malaysia where everyone can build their own AI without writing a single line of code. It can support all types of data from end to end, where you can upload and process your data, train and deploy your own AI model with just a few clicks of a button. So in a few moments, our team will show you how to use the Ever AI platform and how you can also build your own AI model without having to write a single line of code. In Ever AI Technologies, we believe that the power of AI should not be limited to serve just a small number of people, but it should be inclusive and to serve as many people as possible. Therefore, we have built this platform to help everyone to adopt AI and become a data scientist in their own field. With Ever AI, now everyone can do AI. Shafian, you can take over.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sai. That was a very clear introduction about the company. Now we already know what is Ever AI Technologies and the importance of AI in today's business. Now it is time to introduce our web application, Ever AI, and the capabilities to help your business operation. Let's have our speaker and machine learning engineer, Shamsuri, on the floor.
Hi everyone, thank you Safia. Thank you for joining us in Soft Live event right now, right here. My name is Shamsuri. I'm a machine learning engineer from Ever AI, and today I'm trying to give you an overview what is Ever AI no-code platform and the series of what this live event is all about. Just to inform all viewers, we are doing quizzes for giveaway to any of you guys to win the basic plan of our platform and notebook. The first three quizzes, we are giving our Ever AI notebook, and the last three quizzes, you can win the basic plan to our no-code platform. So stay with us and let's get excited. Okay, I've broken this up into several parts so that will be easier for you to know how to use the no-code platform without any hustle and bustle. Let's dive into what you actually can do with the platform, from the login page, the dashboard, the use cases, uploading the data, model training, data pre-processing, and the my data. Before I start, let us give you an introduction on what and why no-code AI platform is all about. For most company, the adoption of artificial intelligence ends of PowerPoint slides, regardless of the size of your organization. But the rise of no-code AI platform enable us business for all kind of business to benefit from the powerful technology that has previously only been accessible to larger organization. So if you want to learn more about the benefit of no code could have done to your business, so keep watching. So what is no code AI platform? If you think about no code by the name, no code is a no programming, in which case we don't have to learn about any programming language, such as Python, Java, and etc. Just to implement our idea. Able AI no-code platform is a free code technology with the friendly user interface that enable non-expert to test and implement the idea straight away without reading from the scratch. So three key highlight of a no-code right here is a no programming needed. We are offering user interface platform, and you can straight away realizing your ideas without any expert. There have been an issue about the traditional method of artificial intelligence. So what are the issue with the traditional method of artificial intelligence? AI is more crucial than ever for our businesses. So according to Amazon, the company collect around 1 exabyte of purchase history data from their consumer base. And they use humongous volume of data just to optimize your experience, their supply chains, and more from it. From that point, Amazon has market share rose to 50% by the end of 2021. So it's not surprising that monitoring and managing this huge data is becoming a considerable challenge across so many businesses just to get the benefit from it. But mastering the machine learning is hard, it's frustrating, and it takes time. Traditional methods of AI are complicated, especially when managing a complex data, and this can create a problem to business owner and their developer. Finding expert to do that for you could be an undesirable option. So traditional AI require programmer and developer with several years of knowledge of experience of coding knowledge. The demand of developer have grown so they are harder than ever to find, not least to train. It is clear that traditional form of AI are not feasible for everyone. So the traditional process of AI is long and tedious just to implement into modern production. Let's take a look into at the general process of AI. The process of AI consists of the following steps, which are data preparation, feature engineering, pre-processing, model selection, model training, and model deployment. The data preparation right here is to define the data required, gathering and combining from different sources. Could be your storage on the Amazon or your storage on the another part of your database. And feature engineering right here is a refer to the process of using your domain knowledge to select and transform your data to the most relevant variable from the raw data when creating a predictive model using a machine learning or statistical modeling. Data preprocessing can refer to manipulation or dropping of data before it reused to in order to ensure or enhance performance. It's an important step in the data mining process. The phrase garbage in, garbage out is particularly applicable to data preprocessing and machine learning projects. Model selection right here is the process of choosing one of many candidate model for a predictive modeling problem, which in case we have many algorithms available, but it all comes to the model performance and the accuracy. Primary objective of AI and ML obviously is to train the model. So model training running the input data and fit with the algorithm that correlate with process output against the sample output, which means in this stage, we are training the data given with the right algorithms. In the last stage is the model deployment. So the model deployment is the process of placing a finished machine learning model into a live environment where it can be used for intended purpose. Model can be deployed in a wide range of environment. They are often integrated with apps through an API level. so they can be accessed by the end user. Okay, let's see what's the benefit of no-code AI platform. For as long as have been a computer to program, there have been many attempts to make programming easier, faster, less technical, and available to much broader audience. Essentially, any end user programming signal that even though most computer users lack coding skill, they will welcome the application potential of various tools. So as long as the effort to obtain this skill is low. No code stands for family of tools that allow people to build application and system without having to program in the conventional way, which means from the scratch, from the bottom. So instead, the core functionality is accessible to visual interface and guided user action, as well as pre-built integration with other tools to exchange information as needed. We are here building a no-code AI platform to leverage the time value knowledge trade-off in a generally attractive way and allow users with no ever about AI coding skill with less technical thought process to optimize a day-to-day operation and solve the business issues. Let's take an example. If you are a small business owner and you lack of AI expert, no-code platform offer the power of innovation into the hand of your entire organization, which means it is accessible to everyone. Everyone can do AI. For example, marketing team want to predict how their engagement to the client. Just upload the data with the right features and straightly power up your analysis. You can build the model visually with pre-built model in our no-code. This means building model a lot faster than building from the scratch. So testing is generally automated, which further cuts down on the development time. To hire developer are expensive. So as you know, to hire an AI expert is just too pricey. So no-code AI solution gives some space by taking away those overhead costs that require skilled team developer. So you can build apps faster, cheaper in the long run. Okay, that is interesting, right? As of now, I would like to explain what features in our platform offer to you guys. This is our login page. Right here, you can log in and sign up to our no-code AI Apple platform. For signing up, you can use your email address, and afterward, an authentication link will be sent to your email address for verification. Here is the registration form. Here you can navigate to the registration form from the login page. Once you click the register here button, the user can enter your email address, password, the first and last name, and then authentication email will be sent to your email address for verification. All right, after the long talk, this is going to be a first quiz. So get ready, be alert. I will set a timer for 20 seconds for you guys to answer. Put your answer into the chat box of from any platform you guys in, like LinkedIn, maybe you're on YouTube. So put in the chat box and we can see your answer. And my colleague will jot down who is the winner. All right, the first question. I will start the timer now. Quiz 1. With no code, you don't need to write any code as the platform takes care all of the programming stuff on your behalf. True or false? All right, 20 seconds is up. Okay, here, next will be our dashboard. Here in the dashboard interface, user can see the overall status on use cases selection to use for modeling. I'm going to show you some demo of our dashboard. So Nadia, can you up the video please? This is demo of our dashboard. Here in the dashboard, you can see your overall status. First is the total model status that show your model that have been trained. Second is the total deployment status that your model have deployed in API level or web URL. Third status is your total dataset size that have been cleaned and saved in our platform. And last status is the total image project that you have saved in image classification model. Below of our status, you can choose and select the use cases, which are classification, regression, time series forecasting, and the image recognition. Okay, that's all about our dashboard. Next will be our use cases and the model training. In the use cases selection in our page, you as a user can choose a suitable use cases for the data to train. So there are the use cases that we offer for training the model, which are classification, regression, time series forecasting, and image classification. With all this use case, what actually you can do? So in classification, for business owner, you can make a customer churn prediction. You can build a model that can be used to forecast whether or not a customer is likely to churn in the near future. Another example in classification could be customer behavior assessment. Let's say for marketer, given a business scenario such as upselling, cross-selling, and so on, a classification model can be used to determine whether an account is customer friendly or not. So all of this can be done with the classification model. Moving on to regression. For business owner, what you can do with regression is you can build a regression model to predict sales or revenue. And for individual, maybe you are, let's say, maybe you are a real estate agent. A power move that you can do is a build regression model to predict the house prices in your favorable place to make those selling. For fitness enthusiasts, you can play around with regression model. For example, you can build a model to predict your blood pressure or heartbeat per minute in any exercise session like weightlifting, running, yoga, and so on. In time series forecasting, this one I would say might benefit most to business owner. For example, you can build a time series forecasting to predict the next, let's say 4 months in the future, how your total sale is trending over time. For individual, let's say you are a freelancer and you build your own online subscription for your product. Maybe you can build a time series model to analyze trend in the total number of subscribers for the next 1 to 2 years. Next is the image classification. In image classification model, you have the control to make prediction on any images. Simple step for image prediction, just upload your data, label your image, and train model to make prediction. For example, let's say to distinguish between a good crops and a backcrop if you are in agriculture business. So the better and advanced solution is build an image classification model and train your model to predict which is the good part and the bad part. And the best is you can deploy the model into an API level to implement in your own application. So that's all about the use cases that you can try and implement in your own, in the making of your own model. You can play around with the use cases that suit your need. There was a phrase coined by someone that I think fit in this AI world, which is the AI world is your oyster, which means there's a lot of opportunities that you can make with AI. If these use cases not suit your need, don't worry, fret not. We in Ever AI also provide a customized solution based on your unique business need. Okay, this is the use cases video.
Let's take a look at the pre-built use cases that we offer. You can navigate the use cases by clicking the drop-down button. There are several use cases that we offer, which are classification that you can use to make prediction on classification problem. Next will be the regression model, where you can make prediction on continuous number, where you can investigate the relationship between independent and dependent variable. For time series forecasting model, you can make prediction or forecast the future value over a period of time using your time series dataset. And the last use cases you can choose is the image prediction. Here, you can train and predict image class based on predefined model.
Okay, that's the use cases video about. And the next will be our quiz. I will run 2 quizzes, so you guys be alert. I will set a timer as usual for 20 seconds. Be prepared. The timer start now. In quiz 2, no-code AI can be used for the automation of A. Business process, B. Decision making, C. Data analysis, D. Customer service, and E. All of above. Okay, time is up. For the next quizzes, in the quizzes 3, as usual, I will set the timer. Quiz 3, Ever AI cannot be customized to meet client unique business need. Yes or no? If you alert with my talk, you know what the answer is. Okay, time's up. Thank you for your participation. Next, we'll be uploading your data into our platform. After you have select the use case, this is the page here. You can see that we preview your data. Right here, you can upload your own data, save your data, select your data, pre-process your data, and start training your model. Okay, here is a video of uploading data.
Uploading data never been easier using our platform. You can upload your own data just by clicking the Add My Own Data right here. Inside here, you can fill with the title and the description of your data. Choose File and click Save your dataset. You can browse your uploaded dataset in the drop-down button.
Okay, that's uploading data into our platform is all about. All right, moving on into our data pre-processing part. Before we start to process the data, we must know what is the data pre-processing. So what is data pre-processing? Data pre-processing is all about the step of getting the raw data and transforming it into a useful and efficient format. Why? Why we need to process the data? Most raw data can be irrelevant and sometimes not readable for humans to interpret. On top of that, it could be much worse with handling missing, noisy, and inconsistent data. So to solve this problem, data preprocessing comes into play for machine to learn better. All right, let's talk about what are those problematic data I'm keep mentioning about. First, this is the missing data. The situation of missing data arise when some data is missing. For example, you as a student might skip personal info like GPA, student ID, and so on. Second is the noisy data. What is noisy data? Noisy data, I would say data that is meaningless, even machine cannot interpret what does it mean. For example, a guy named Jeff should be age of 21, but the data was filled with 200. In the human age, it is meaningless. This data generally generate due to the faulty data collection or data entry error and etc. Third is the inconsistent data. The inconsistent data can happen when the same data exists in different format in multiple table, which means when the data fail to match with the existing data. For example, this guy Jeff address should be 21 Jump Street, but instead it was filled with 22 Jump Street. So in this case, there are two Jeff in the data for machine to learn. But actually, in real life, he just stay at one place, which is 21 Jump Street. How can we handle this problematic data? So for missing data, you can ignore the missing data or fill the missing value with mean value, median value, or max minimum value. For noisy data, you can remove entirely manually. For inconsistent data, you can set measure to same unit across all the system, like the column and rows in centimeter. Maybe you need to set all of the metrics in the centimeters. Okay, right here from our data pre-processing page, you can view the visualization that we provide, such as distribution chart, box plot, TSNE, and PCA, Principal Component Analysis. And also, you can choose your data pre-processing strategy for those to handle the problematic data. Run your strategy and save your new data, clean data. This is a data strategy that we include in our platform. For missing data strategy, all those strategy can be used to clean your data and increase the accuracy of your model. So in the missing data, you can impute with the mean value, max value, minimum value, median value, random mean and max, or listwise deletion, or save to ignore. In outliers, maybe you can remove entirely the record, cap using IQR, interquartile range, minimum and max, mean value, median value, and save to ignore. For redundant data, you can remove the record entirely or save to ignore. Okay, here is a data processing video I would like to show you.
Let's take a look on how you can process your data. After you have choose which data to process, click on the data pre-processing button here. In the data pre-processing part, you are able to visualize each of your features or column label in your dataset. And for example, right here, I choose sample width to see the frequency distribution chart of my sample width data present in my dataset. You are also able to see your outliers data and statistical summary with our box plot chart. There are other advanced visualization which are TSNE and PCA. They are technique for dimensionality reduction. Here you can move around your data point in 3D shape and see how the data point distributed. Just click your label and hold the 3D model to move around. And how to handle those problematic data present in your dataset. You can see here your missing data, redundant data, outliers data present in your dataset. Is it pretty easy to set up? Just choose your strategy in each of the problematic subject. Then it will respond after you click the run processing. Each of the strategy will show the description, and you don't have to worry about what need to do and what need to read. And you are able to save the clean dataset into a new file or just save the current file. Click on the run processing and then save to a new file.
Okay, this is all about our data pre-processing part. Someone mentioning about the quiz is just too fast, so I try to be fair to everyone. I could double the time for 40 seconds. So next slide will be the next quiz. So be alert. For this quiz, you can win a subscription plan, a basic plan to use our no-code AI platform. So the timer starting now. The quiz for which of the following not no-code AI platform? A. No programming required. B. Visual interface application. C. Intersection with robot movement. D. Accessible to broader audience without the need of expert. Okay, take your time. Okay, the time is up. I would like to continue. Okay, right here is our model training and testing. Here in the model training page, you can view summary statistic of your dataset, such as total records, total column in the dataset, percent missing and missing data. In selected prediction label part, you can see the type and status of the selected target to train the model. So the view that you can see are the type, status, unique, and the empty values. After you click the run training button, our application straightly away run and save your model into our system. Here in this page, you can view the frequency distribution of your selected target for training the model. All of those finished training model that have been completed will show in this My Model page. So in this page, user can see the status of model that showing the name, the code of the model, the category, accuracy, the data set, and the model status, completed or not completed, and when is the model created. User can navigate through action button to test your model and see how the model perform with your own data. Okay, this is the testing page. I would say this is the playground page, which is you can play around with your trained model and see how it is performed. Just define your own number and straightly see your result after clicking the execute button. Okay, I will show you demo for the model training and testing.
This is the interesting part where you can train your model. Click train my model button here. Select the target on which features you want to predict and run training. After the training model have completed, in the section here, you can see the result of your model. In the result page here, this is the actual model performance that you have trained on your dataset. You can overview your model info and configuration, the result and the accuracy of the model, also the dataset features and the training labels. This is the playground you can test on with your trained model. Go to testing page and define your own input to test the prediction. Here I define my input for sepal length 4.3, sepal width 3, petal length 1.1 and petal width 0.1. Click on the execute button, then you will get your result. Let's try another. Sepal length 5.8, sepal width 2.8, petal length 5.1 and petal width 2.4. Click on the execute and get your result.
Okay, there's a model training and testing demo video. There's an actual video of our model performance in our platform. So moving on. Next will be the quiz 5. So as usual, I will set timer for 40 seconds and be alert. I will start timer right now. Quiz 5. The difference between process of traditional AI programming and no-code AI. A. Ending of rule-based programming. B. Must have prior knowledge of AI. C. Need to maintain code every time. D. Robot replacing human for both process. Okay, the time is up. Our platform also providing model deployment features. Here in this page, you can view your model deployment info. We are providing deployment in API level and yet also into a web URL. Both are given to you guys for you to implement in your own application. Just one click away of the deploy now button, then it will generate the link and the API key. Here we show you some demo of our model deployment.
Set up your model deployment is easy with our platform. To deploy your model, click on the cloud lookalike button here and you can see the deployment info page. There are two ways to deploy your model. First, the API level, and the second is the web URL. Click on deploy now button to generate your deployment info. And you also have the right to revoke the model if in any case you want to revisit your model.
Okay, I think that's all about the model deployment. Last but not least, this is the last feature that we offer is saving your data into our system. You can navigate your saved data by clicking on the My Data page. Here you can see your status of your dataset saved into our platform. Let's take a look at demo of My Data.
I'm gonna show you some demo for you to preview and update your data. Click on the My Data page here. You can view your dataset that have been saved in our platform. In the action section part, you have the ability to rename and update your saved dataset. Click on the three line button here to preview your process saved dataset. You can see all of your dataset with the columns and the row of your dataset.
All right, we are coming to an end. Next will be the last quiz. So get prepare your answer in the chat box. I will set the timer for 40 seconds as usual. If you miss the quiz 5 to win our basic subscription plan, here is your chance. The next quiz 6, you can win the basic subscription for our to access our no code ever AI platform. So I will start the timer now. Quiz 6. Which of the following are not the benefit of no code AI platform? A. Accessible to everyone. B. Less technical. C. Quick implementation. D. Coding the process of AI on your own. Okay, that's all about. The timer is up. Quiz is end. I think we have coming to an end. So that's all about our platform. Thank you for staying with us. As for now, I will announce you the answer for question every each of the quizzes. So the answer for question 1 If you get it right, just tell us. Number 1 it will be true. Number 2, E, all of the above. And quiz number 3 is no, because every AI can customize with your needs, with your unique business need. So the question for quiz 4, which of the following not no code AI platform is a C, intersection with robot movement. There's a no related with the no code AI platform actually. And the quiz number 5, the answer is A, ending of rule-based programming. And the last is D, which of the following are benefit of no code AI platform? D is not the answer. So if you coding the process of AI on your own, you actually expert in AI. So with our platform, actually we can offer you with no AI coding skill and no programming. You just straight away get your analysis with your own data. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you for staying with us. I will give back the stage to Safia.
Okay, thank you, Shamsuri. That was a very clear and fantastic introduction to our AI no-code platform. We hope you will understand more about data management and how AI can help to analyze and handle your data easily, even without programming or knowledge coding. Now, we will go ahead and take some time for questions. Just a reminder, please be sure to type your queries into the chat box. And if you have any question, please ask.
Hey, thank you everyone for tuning in tonight, and congratulations to all the winners who have answered the questions correctly. You'll be notified, and we will call you for your information to send out the gift. The gift is we have 3 notebooks from EverAI, and also a 3 1-month subscription of the EverAI platform that you can try out immediately. So yeah, now we are entering a Q&A session. We will be taking questions. If you have any questions on the platform or for us, any questions as well, we are happy to take it. Yeah, so we have these questions. The data can be raw or in a specific format. The data can be anything. You can upload any data, and the system will find out and can give you a suggestions of what kind of AI application that you can do. So the data typically is in a tabular format. Tabular format means like it's a SQL or it's an Excel file. So you can just upload an Excel file with your own data, and then the platform will read all your data, and from there you can build your own AI applications using any data that you might want to upload. Yeah, so in the future, we will also have to cater for other data. For example, image data, we now already have image data. We can already do image classification. You can also upload image data. Let's say you have pictures of cats and dogs. You can upload a picture of cats and dogs. And then you can train a model that can tell you the next picture that you upload is a cat or is a dog. Everything without coding. You don't have to do any server setup, programming. You don't even need to buy your own powerful PC to run the AI training. Everything is on the cloud. So you just log into the web page, and then you can immediately start building your own AI model. Well, let's see if there is any next question. Maximum size, limit of data that can be uploaded. Currently, we cater to 100 megabyte. The maximum data size that you can upload is 100 megabyte. Of course, if let's say you are a business and you have like 15 years of data, a lot of data that exceed 100 megabytes, you can always contact us. And we can customize the solution for you. So let's say you have data that is more than 100 megabyte, and you would like to try to run it on our platform, just contact us, drop us a message on Facebook, LinkedIn, email, or anywhere, and yeah, we can make some special offer to your account. Yeah. So let's take another one. Will I get assistant to use this platform once I sign up for it? What if there's problems? Okay, so if you sign up for the app, we will provide you a data consultant. A data consultant will help you to set up your data, like how you should structure your data so you can upload to the platform without any problem. Our data consultant will help you and advise you on how you can structure your data before you upload and do your own building your own AI model. And if there is any problem, you can always contact us. We have a bug reporting page and also a contact us page, or you can just drop us any message in our Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and anywhere. Yeah, let's try if we
There's
see
another question. Yeah.
another question there. Yeah, Shansuri, you want to take this one?
It's a downloaded version is available for this app. For now, we don't have apps in the mobile application, but you can access to our app into our website. So just straight away go to our website and make your analysis in our providing web apps.
Yeah. You don't even have to download or install anything to now. You don't even have to download or install anything to build your own AI. You can just log into the website and you can do everything on the cloud.
Okay.
Yeah, can the analysis be published to a dashboard? I think currently we have you can do predictions on we can deploy and launch the web API it's like a website where you can put in your new information and make prediction there. The analysis can yes. We also have the data visualization to let you visualize the data that you have already uploaded. Ongoing promotion. Sham, do we provide any promotion?
I think we need to ask Shafia for this one, our business team. Later we will announce if any promotion that we're gonna have in our soft launch. So be alert. Maybe you can access to our basic plan some more. Could be.
Yeah, Shafia, you like to add something? Yeah, mute, is it? Yeah, we can't hear you.
Okay, so for
Yeah, we can
promotion,
hear you.
now we have a free forever plan that we open for only 50 people now. And then, yeah, so you guys can join and sign up for our free forever plan to learn and know more whatever I can do for you and your business. Yeah.
Yeah, we are always happy to give out more promotion. So keep stay with us and yeah, keep watch out that if we give any promotions in the future.
So I think
Yeah,
do
we
we have
have one more question here. Sham?
For now, great question. So the question is there any chance we can select our model to train? So for now, we are choosing the best model for you with the best accuracy, high accuracy result, and you don't have to worry about the accuracy score of your model. Maybe in the future, if many people request to select your own model, maybe we can add in our web apps. So yeah.
Yeah, so we have this question here. What is the difference between no-code AI and auto ML? Well, actually a very similar thing. Auto ML is also a platform where you put in data and then you have a few buttons here and there to make it easy for you. It's like to make it easy for you to build and deploy your machine learning or AI application. But no-code AI is going one step further, where you don't even have to write any coding at all. All you need to do is click the upload button, upload your data, and you do everything on the platform. It's like a Canva for Photoshop. So you don't have to do any coding at all. You just with a click of a button, you can already build your own AI. Okay, do we have any more questions, Shafia?
I think there's no more questions coming from the audience. So thank you, Dr. Syed and Shamsuri, for answering all of our questions. So we know that AI is an easy to use drag and drop interface, allow you to create automated process and save time by performing complex and analytical tasks in just a matter of minutes. So now we know that AI helps in many areas, from analyzing data, from making better decisions to improve the customer service and business operation. And it's looked like we covered all of our questions. If there are no questions left, we will straight away go to the next part of this event. Before that, I'm going to announce once again the winner of our giveaway. Oh. Okay, so the winners of our giveaway are number one is Kai Yi Chu for the notebooks, Liu Yu Long notebook also, and Alexander Lim. Maybe Nadia can share the slides that I share here. Yeah. Alright, so the winner is the first one, Kai Yi Chu for notebooks, Yu Long, and Alexander Lim. So these three will win our notebooks. And then for the basic AI basic plan, Firdaus Khairi, Kah Moon Moon, and Dok Yok. So please PM the admin to receive your prize. Okay. So that's it. So I like to recall. Okay. Congratulations to the winner, and please message us privately for your details for us to proceed with your prize delivery. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we have finally come to the end of this soft launch AI web apps event. Thank you, everyone. We appreciate you for being here. We hope you are able to explore more about AI, and you can sign up for our free forever plan by scanning the QR code to learn more and find out by yourself if it works for your business operation. Kindly join our Telegram channel for fast updates and response regarding AI. Now everyone can do AI.